Okay, kan filma. Okay, we have in an RS6 MTM, and we will drive towards ESS E39 M5 from 50 kilometers per hour. It's to the right. So we are in a MTM Audi RS6 with 730 horsepower, actually 739, and we will race against BMW E39 M5 by ESS with supercharger from 50 kilometers per hour, and looks like he had traction issues. We can stop and talk to them, so don't turn off the camera.
Anything on?
Yeah, the traction, I guess.
I was power sliding all the way to the second third gear.
But you were with us a bit, but I guess you span all the way.
I span up to 20 kilometers.
Yeah, I think I hit. So I think I hit like 1 or 240, 250.
Yeah, that's not the 240 also.
But if you try to go from 100 and kick it, and then we try to kick it at the same time behind you on this way back.
On the way back?
Yeah, so third gear at 100 kilometers per hour.
On the last stretch?
Yeah, or anywhere here. We'll see.